Up next, we have our unit test on area. It is 10 questions. Let's get going. Each square in the figure below has an area of 1 square unit. We can break the figure into 2 parts, complete the equations. Well, that looks like 2 5s, which makes 10, so the total is 30. Which figure has the greatest area, and how do we know? A is bigger, because it takes up the most space. The following rectangle is partially covered with unit squares. Which figure has the same area? So find the area. Here, I'll zoom in. Find the area, and then I'll slowly scroll down until we find the right one. Well, that rectangle's 8 by 5. Which shapes have area of 10 square units? Well, that's B and C. Fun fact about C, this is how bowling pins are arranged, right? You've got the king pin, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4 to make 10. What is the area of this rectangle? Six by 7 is 42. A rectangle has an area of 24 square meters. The width is 4 meters. What is the length? That would be 6. A large rectangle has side lengths of 8 centimeters and 7 centimeters. A small square with a side length of 4 centimeters is cut out of the large rectangle. What is the area left? I got 40 square centimeters. What is the area of this shape? It looks like a key, or the F that we put in chat when my characters die in XCOM. I see 13 square centimeters. I can talk. 20 square units. Which of these? Oh, there's a bunch of them. Sorry I have to zoom out so far, but I need to be sure they're all visible. Which of these have an area of 20? Looks to me like it's B and D. Which equation shows a way to find the area of the following rectangle? And I'm just going to zoom in and let you come up with your own answer, and then I'll scroll down and find the answer. Well, that looks like 6 times 8 to me. And that's the unit test. Okay. Wow, we are 100% done with area. Let's back out into 3rd grade. Where are we? We are 81% of the way through. So we started at 67%. So we went up a decent amount. Let's keep plugging away at some of these. Is there anything that I want to do really fast? Perimeter is good, but I kind of want to do it justice by being able to go slow. Time, I definitely want to enjoy. I think we can probably finish this grade next time. I think we can probably finish this next time. We did 14% of the mastery points today. There are 19% left. Yeah, I think we're going to go ahead and call that a night. And we'll start with perimeter, and then time, and then measurement, and then more data, representation, and then we'll do the course challenge. That should all be next week on Math Monday. So for now, thank you so very, very much for coming to my math lesson. This was actually, as far as numbers go, one of my more successful lessons. I appreciate you all very much. You can find me on Twitch, Twitter, and now Patreon at Math Demigod. And you can find me on YouTube by going to professor-cunningham.com, clicking on my face, finding my math videos. I have, I think, 3 or 4 YouTube channels at this point. They are all accessible through that website. Thank you so very much for watching. Make sure to keep an eye out for future streams. Do make sure to show up on Wednesday, this Wednesday specifically, March 3rd at 6 p.m. Pacific, when we do our next episode of Dungeons & Dragons, The Sunless Citadel. It's going to be a great time. I hope you can join us. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next week.